Good day, everyone. I am Vika and Espiritu from 4ARB 16, and now I am presenting to you all about the Bureau. Good day. Let us first start with introduction to Bureau of Corrections. So, what is Bureau of Corrections or BUCOR? BUCOR stands for the Bureau of Corrections. It is a government agency that is under the Department of Justice and responsible for the safekeeping and rehabilitation of national prisoners, which includes those who are sentenced more than 3 years of imprisonment. It is tasked with managing national prisons and penal farms, ensuring the secure confinement of offenders while also providing the programs aimed at their reformation and eventual reintegration into society. Bucor is under Department of Justice, and also they are in charge for those prisoners who are sentenced for 3 years and up. So, ibig sabihin, ang Bucor ay ang in charge sa mga long-term imprisonment at ang Bucor ay meron ding 7 national penitentiaries, which are the New Bilibid Prison, Iwahig Penal Colony, New Correctional Institution for Women, Davao Penal Colony, Sablayan Penal Colony and Farm, Leyte Prison and Penal Farm, at ang San Ramon Prison and Penal Farm. Where does it belong in the Philippine criminal justice system? Bucor operates under the Department of Justice and is part of the corrections pillar of the Philippine criminal justice system. It works alongside agencies like the BJMP, parole and probation, to complete the penal cycle. So ayun, ang Bucor at ang BJMP, gano'n na rin ang Parole and Probation Administration ay magkasama sa fourth pillar justice system ng Pilipinas, which is the corrections. So, corrections is focused on the custody, supervision, and rehabilitation of the convicted offenders. Dito sila nire-rehabilitate, isolate, na at um, reintegrate. Kung saan nang sa gayon, yung mindset nila ay matulungan silang makapagbago at hindi na sila maging recidivist or maulit nila yung kanilang nagawang um, offenses or crime dati. Next one is role and mandate. What is the Bucor's legal mandate? So here, the Bucor, the Bureau of Corrections or Bucor is legally mandated by the Republic Act number 10575, also known as the Bucor Act of 2013, to perform two core functions within the Philippine criminal justice system, which is the first one is the custody and the second one is the rehabilitation. Bucor is responsible for the secure confinement of individuals convicted by the Philippine courts and sentenced to more than 3 years of imprisonment. So, dito, Bucor ang nangangalaga sa lahat ng prisoners na merong 3 years or more na sentence of imprisonment. Sila yung nangangalaga kung saan sila um, maninirahan, ng kanilang kakainin, ganun din yung kanilang magiging kalusugan sa loob ng mga penitentiaries. Next one is rehabilitation. Bucor must implement reformation programs aimed at transforming inmates into law-abiding citizens. The goal is to ensure that upon release, inmates are no longer harmful to society and are prepared to reintegrate as productive members of the community. Dito naman sa rehabilitation, dito tinutulungan yung mga inmates natin kung paano sila makapagbago, mabago natin yung mindset nila nang sa gayon pagdating nila sa labas, hindi na sila gano'n maging harmful para sa community. Dito rin sa rehabilitation, nagkakandak sila ng iba't ibang uri ng trainings education at gano'n na rin ang ah, technical vocation na mapipili nila na sa gayon paglabas nila, hindi na sila maging recidivist or maulit muli yung ginawa nilang masama noon at gayon maging ready din sila paglabas nila magkaroon sila ng magiging, sarili nilang hanapbuhay or makapagsimula sila ng trabaho nang sa gayon makapagsimula ulit sila ng kanilang pamumuhay at magkaroon ng income. Next one, functions and responsibilities. How does Bucor operate as an agency? Custody, reformation, and reentry support. Function. The Bureau of Corrections plays a crucial role in the Philippine criminal justice system by managing the custody, rehabilitation, and reintegration of national inmates. Its operations are guided by the Republic Act 10575 or Bucor Act of 2013, which modernized and professionalized by the Bureau of Custody and Safekeeping. Bucor ensures the secure confinement of persons deprived of liberty or the PDLs who are sentenced to more than 3 years of imprisonment, convicted under customs, immigrations, or election laws, regardless of sentence length. So dito sa custody and safekeeping, dito sinisigurado ng Bucor na mabigyan ng maayos na maayos na tigilan yung ating mga inmate or ating mga PDL. Gayon din ang kanilang mga kain. Kasama na rin dito yung kanilang mga health. Sa Bucor, meron silang sariling health specialist kung saan tumitingin ng health ng bawat prisoner natin na masigurado na nasa maayos silang kalagayan kahit na sila ay nasa kulungan. Next one naman is reformation and rehabilitation. Bucor is tasked with holistic rehabilitation of inmates to prepare them for reintegration to society. So dito naman, nagkakandak sila ng iba't ibang programs tulad ng educational and vocational training, spiritual and moral development, behavioral and psychological services, at yung agro-industrial agro-industrial projects na kung saan they teach skills and generate income. Kung mapapanood natin sa mga TV na minsan ipinapakita yung ating mga PDL or inmates na gumagawa sila ng iba't ibang uri ng crafts or yung mga inuukit nila na kung saan sa loob upang magkaroon pa rin sila ng income at kaalaman, ibinebenta naman ito ng Bucor or iba pang agency na kasama sa correction pillar natin dito sa Pilipinas. So last naman ay yung reentry and reintegration support. Bucor collaborates with other agencies and organizations to support inmates after release. So this establishes linkages with the LGUs, NGOs, and other government bodies to assist with their reintegration. It is promote it promotes community-based support system to reduce recidivism and encourages family reunification and social reintegration nang kung sa gayon para paglabas nila ng kulungan, magkaroon pa rin sila ng sarili nilang confident na humarap sa ibang tao at mag maipagpatuloy nila yung kanilang nasimulan sa labas na halimbawa mga negosyo or kung meron man silang gustong gawin na hindi nila nagagawa sa loob na maaaring makatulong sa kanilang pamumuhay. Kasi highlight programs. So, the Bucor or the Bureau of Corrections runs a diverse set of programs aimed at rehabilitating persons deprived of liberty or the PDLs and preparing them to reintegrate. Education and training provides basic education, skills training, and other vocational programs to prepare for employment after release. Dito tinuturuan yung ating mga prisoners ng basic education or other skills training na kung saan lahat ng kanilang matututunan ay magamit nila after nilang mai-release at makapag-apply sila ng trabaho, nang sa gayon ay makapagsimula ulit sila ng panibagong pamumuhay. Moral and spiritual formation includes lectures, seminars, and spiritual guidance to improve moral and spiritual values. Kung noon, um, bago sila ma bago sila makulong ay meron silang na galit or kung hindi man ay hindi sila naniniwala sa Diyos. Dito sa moral and spiritual formation, tinutulungan natin sila na makilala ang Diyos nang sa gayon magkaroon sila ng guide sa kanilang pamumuhay at magbago yung kanilang mindset paglabas nila ng kulungan. Next naman ay yung technical vocational and life skills training. Enhances human assets by providing knowledge and skills for better economic independence. Halimbawa nito ay yung welding. Kung sila ay maturuan na mag-welding sa loob ng kulungan, maaari nila 'tong magamit 'pag nag-apply sila ng trabaho, sa gayon ay magkaroon sila ng sarili nilang income after nilang ma-release galing sa kulungan. And lastly, significance. Why is Bucor important in the Philippine Bucor is very important in the Philippine correctional system because it is the agency responsible for taking care of national inmates, those who are sentenced for more than 3 years in prison. Its main job is to keep inmates safe and secure while they serve their sentence. But it also helps them change for the better. Bucor offers different programs like education, livelihood training, and spiritual formation to help inmates learn new skills, grow morally, and prepare for life after prison. These programs are important because they give inmates a second chance to become productive members of society. Bucor also works with other government agencies and communities to support inmates when they are released. This helps prevent them from committing crimes again and make it easier for them to adjust life outside prison. Without Bucor, the correctional system wouldn't be complete because it plays a big role in making sure justice is not just about punishment, but also about rehabilitation and giving people hope for a better future. So that's all. Ito lahat ng aking presentation about sa Bucor. Significance, hindi lahat ng tao ay hindi lahat ng taong nakukulong ay tungkol lamang sa pagbibigay ng punishment para sa kanila. Kung hindi, binibigyan na rin sila ng pagkakataon para makapagbago. Sa totoong buhay, hindi lamang hanggang diyan na lang sila, maaari pa rin silang magkaroon ng mabuting trabaho. Halimbawa na lamang natin ay yung naging viral dati na dating nakulong, pero nung makalaya siya ay nagbago at ngayon ay naging isang ganap na pulis. At Bucor, that's all. Thank you for listening. Have a good day, everyone. That's all.